Hi, my name is Sumesh Singh. I'm a cricket coach at Empower Cricket Academy. Now in my today's video, I'm going to talk about a horizontal bat stroke sweep shot. Now this particular stroke can be played to a ball, a good length ball, pitched in the line of middle and leg stump. But it can also be played to a delivery pitched in the line of off stump. So the range is between the stumps, from leg stump to off stump. Now this particular horizontal bat stroke can be played against spinners on a turning track and is a good option for a batsman to score runs. Now to execute this particular stroke, the front foot of the batsman should be in line with the ball. The body weight should be transferred on the front foot with the front knee bent and the back foot knee also bent. Now the point of contact between the bat and the ball should be as close to the ground as possible, preferably half volley, and the bat should be horizontal at the point of impact. Now the bat should descend from higher position, from high to low, and the wrist should be rolled at the point of impact with the ball. Now let's have a look at the demo from two different angles to understand how to execute this stroke. Now the key points a batsman should keep in mind while playing this horizontal bat stroke, the sweep, that the head and front leg should be aligned in the line of the ball. Now the second key point is the hands should be extended through the shot, finishing on the opposite shoulder. Now the third key point, head and weight should be forward, covering the line of the ball with pads. Now the fourth key point is to keep the ball all along the ground. Two things should be kept in mind. First, the timing of rolling of wrist at the point of impact. And the second, don't try to hit the ball too hard. I would like to thank Parth Changlani for all his help. Thank you, Parth. I wish you all the best, and I wish you all the very best.